Can we know if someone saved our number on WhatsApp? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can know if someone has saved our number in WhatsApp or not. So let's just go ahead and find out within WhatsApp itself if we can do that or not. So for that, you can directly head over to the WhatsApp section, and when we head over to this section, you can find different options available within the app itself, like camera, search bar, the three dot at the top, and different settings available as well. So when we look out for the feature, if we are looking for the feature that allows us to see if someone has saved our number on WhatsApp or not, unfortunately, there is no such direct way to see if someone has saved our number on WhatsApp, as the app does not provide a feature to reveal this information. The only reliable method is to ask them directly. So for that, you can head over to them through any of the other applications, if not WhatsApp, and type in a message to them and ask if they have saved your number or not. So for now, this is only the method available. So that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.